I forgot to mention that before I checked in, like probably the best customer service was when I was like walking in. So obviously them did have to do that, because if the customer service was bad at the entrance with the bellman, it would have been like going downhill from there. But the customer service at the front wasn't bad. Like them help you with the luggage and stuff like that, as they should. That's what I'm used to. Good treatment, right? And then apparently there was no parking near the front desk area, so them sent me way back again to go park. And then I had to end up stopping one man. I found one man like me there at town. Down at town. I stopped the man and asked him if he can call a trolley for me, and he had to end up doing that because he's apparently like a security in the place. So I'm like, you know, like somebody could not come with me, like follow behind me. Them they look like them have like one trolley. And I'm over here like, they never have much trolleys. That looks so bad. You know, big. And the hotel is so friggin' big. And they never have much. So it just looked really bad, you know. So I had to end up waiting for probably like 15 minutes to end up for them to bring me there. Or sometime I end up a walk from the vehicle. The second time I end up going there, I had to just walk, because I'm like, yo, for me to wait on these people to come for me, that is so like mad annoying. Like, be on top of things. You know that somebody's going to park somewhere far, follow them, you know, with the trolley, especially if you know that, you know, a female. Like, anyways, you know like when you're down a restaurant and even though the time pass, you know, them still, you know, them would have clean up and whatever, and them would have, you know, make it obvious, hey, y'all need to go. But them not say it to you. My people, them start lock off the light. Them never business. Them lock off the light, and them a pack up the food from before 10 o'clock, and people still are coming in, and I'm over here like, wow. That's why I'm a pack up the food, I throw the food, I dance and I pack up the food. And, you know, as I said, the music I play, so them in there dance and enjoy themselves behind there while I'm serve people in. And I fling down the food in the plate. No like a presentation. Them don't even try, them just fling down the plate. Like, I think I have a clip of the food and everything, and everybody was like, la, them couldn't serve the food properly. Like, guys, nothing tasted good. I think they had the shrimp thing, and me not like that was probably the only thing. I let me just eat and fill up my belly. One shrimp seafood mix something. And me just eat the shrimp and eat the shrimp. Then my rice is tough. Like, me just never enjoyed dinner time. And not like it, like, it was so bad. Me never see no what me could, and they never have no broccoli. What me could have said, alright. Them they have a salad bar, but you know, me usually like the broccoli, and if I put the, you know, the Thousand Island on it, they never have that. So yo, not the Thousand Island, they never have the broccoli. I was like, this is too ghetto, this is too wild. And then, and now, you know, after I'm done, these people had another argument on the friggin' property. This time, I have more details, cause them seem much closer to me. Like, with the fight before, it was further away from me, and it was like in the hallway near the stairs, so you know, so a whole heap of echoing. So all I could hear was like people hitting off at each other, and people are get slammed up on the floor and stuff like that. But when I hear them shouting, all I heard was echo. Like, these people, like, they were probably like below me or above me. I wasn't even sure the way how the place like hollow, so it's like everything just like echo. But I heard this argument, I'm telling her. So I was literally just on the phone with my friend, you know, cause I was talking to one of my friends, and I say, you hear the argument here, like we have a pause the conversation I have with a friend and say, yo, I have to hear that so serious. Lord! The woman I said the man mad. He mad. She say, you crazy. You crazy mother effer. You crazy. And then I said, me crazy. So apparently, like, more people was involved in this, because apparently, like, it was like 4 people in the room based on what I was hearing. Apparently the woman upset, said the man jealous, like him a talk about, shut up about him insecure, and you don't want me to hang out with my friends, and I can't believe you, and I don't want to be around you. Don't touch me, don't touch me. And the man looked like him almost ready for ball. Oh my god, I was like, oh my god, stop, girl, stop. I mean, I fight for the man, you know, because I said, John, like the man ready for start ball. Legit, because when me hear her say, don't touch me, I don't want to be around you, you crazy man F, you crazy man F, I was like, oh my god. You must say, would you just listen to me? Would you just listen to me? You're not listening to me. And she's like, I don't want to hear anything, I don't want to be here anymore. I was like, oh my god, I hope they work it out. And then like apparently like the parents them are, I don't know if it was parents, but it obviously sounded like elderly people around and say, you guys need to stop, you need to stop, it's so embarrassing, you need to stop. Cause them did load in the place, and the girl looked like she had fling things to say, I can't believe you, like I came all this way. Yeah. Oh my god, I was like, at least we could have get for ear that sus here. Like the other sus upstairs, we could get for ear to be echo, the place to echo, you know? I mean, we get facility things still, but you know, I don't want it look too, no way, too tough, so I couldn't stay. At least, I have look something about me. Woo! Anyway, so we didn't know, so alright, we're gonna full up top because we're hype, we live in life, have champagne and yeah. Live what life? Jacuzzi, not old enough. When we up run the water, I mean that type of person. Me live up on the hill, so me no want end up a waste no water, you know, cause there's so many people dying of thirst in the African parts of the world. And we can't afford to be wasting water. Who does that? Oh. So I end up saying, hey man, I'm not going to make this water run for too long. I only look, it never did I go past a certain part of it in the tub. So I was like, Jano, yo, I'm over this foolishness. I'm not doing this. So I end up just like at the water. Come and say, it now full up, like we try to stop it. Stop the the thing in the tub. And it never did stop. So you know, so the water couldn't. So that was annoying. So I mean, them never make it relaxing at all for me. That was so annoying. And we went to the pool, and the pool wasn't bad. The pool was probably the most fun thing. And I did end up at come out of the pool and lie down because I did hot.
Wait a damn minute.
So I did cold me and I did stand up in the lie down in the sun. That never bad, never bad at all. And them not serve if you not have on a mask. So you know me never go there because you know me never have on a mask for me. I saw my friend ended up go feet. But apart from that, I mean, I guess it was okay. I mean, most of the trip was horrible anyway. Most of my experience was horrible anyway. So this is the most wild part. Like I don't even remember how I forget to talk about this. So before lunch, before me to end up I go for get ready and whatever, I said alright, I gotta take a nice warm shower, wash off the traveling when my travel come, and in the people them place for how long don't sit a check in, right? Fam, come out to the bathroom. When I come out of the shower, Ash, I swear to the place, like, I swear to Noah passed through and gone back at heaven because the way all the place did a flood out. I said no. Like me look and I said no man, them shine the floor really good. But when I actually step down a water, I step down in and come and I said, you know, this real, then this real. I just had a shower. Guys, I had a shower, and when I come out of the shower, listen to me. I lock the bathroom door because I'm in the phone, I'm in there on the phone with my friend. And I lock the bathroom. So I can't understand how is it that the place flood out. Watch it. Jesus Christ. Sorry. No, that looks like the floors shine, but I had to take another look again. No, tell me now. What do you expect me to do? Alright guys, so I'm back in my room. I'm going to explain, as everybody's waiting on the explanation of how the place flooded out. So I'm going to explain. Right? So, oh, I think that was not the light. These are lights. So look, if you try to close this here, it don't close. See that? I don't know what it do. And then there's space under the bottom here. So when I was showering, obviously I was on the phone over there. So it did turn this way, and apparently it slide down on, yeah, and actually in here is still wet. Let me just add that. No. I was keeping a cutout for me. Sorry. I'm end up after wipe up the place. I was like, no man, this is so wild. Like, you know, I never want to call housekeeping because I already experienced such bad customer service from people in my mind. I say, yo, I forgot you with another rude housekeeper. No ma'am. No ma'am. No. So I end up saying, "Tro, but not this." Yeah guys, so honestly that's it. That's my experience. I would rate Grand Bahia probably like a 3 or a 4 out of 10, to be honest. Like, and one of those points is because they play my father's song. That was not it. That was not a hotel experience. I felt like I was in the ghetto. I didn't feel like I was in a hotel. I never felt like I was at somewhere where we have a bougie name like Grand Bahia, Principale, or Principe. Never felt like that. I felt like me just pay $120 and go, and it was so disgusting. I never enjoyed the food. I never enjoyed the customer service. I mean, the 1 and 2 people them were actually nice to me. God bless them. Which is like probably at the front desk. Who, you know, like when I was checking in, they weren't bad, but we just did very stern with them and tell them to listen. I'm not staying here 2 hours with them. So please, for while me I stand, like, you know, I try to be very proactive. But me tell them to listen. Start me out now because I can't stay as, you know, I have a thing. No sir, bye and already yet. And you know when we going, everybody tell me about how them building collapse a couple of years ago and how much people did in night, and I asked me if I not see dopey. And I'm like, what the hell? I didn't even know that it wouldn't have changed the company already today. You get me a message? I know, like, why would people do that? Like, you can't have such a big ass, like that hotel was huge, right? And yet, oh, did I mention we went to the restaurant? So them have one restaurant called The Knife. Like, it's probably like at the end. I'm not like, see, the food never bad, you know. The food never bad. Like, the lady at the front was nice. I feel like there's like different management there. Like, you know, usually when you know you have good management from the top, you know. So maybe I'm thinking that maybe it's like a different owner. I'm not sure, but it was like a different vibe. I don't know if it's because them used to be white people coming in, so they're nice, but I'm not like the service there wasn't bad. Okay, so for everybody else, they were like, oh my gosh, it was impeccable. But me nitpick at every little thing because I know what I should get as the customer, and I know what I should give as the service provider. So the lady at the front was polite, not going around. When we were entering, she was nice. She seated us. When we were leaving, she said, when we was leaving, she was like, when we were leaving, she was like, bye, hope you enjoy this day. I like stuff like that. Like, I remember stuff like that. Just the little things, you know what I mean? And then when we went in, the guy who was supposed to take our order ended up giving us this welcome cocktail. When we look, the cup, the champagne glass smells so bad. Like it smelled rancid, like it smelled all right, like them just take it down and give it away. And they know the something tastes like Sprite, you know, like when they shake up Sprite, like it's a flat Sprite and have the ashy night, and that the welcome cocktail tastes like. And I was like, oh my god, that man really come give a shake up Sprite as welcome drinks, welcome cocktail in a them nice clean hotel. Tell me now. Hey guys, so I mean that's it really. Probably the restaurant food was probably the best thing there. And them never have no jerk, this jerk, that, none of that really. Honestly, my worst. I never feel like me in a luxury hotel. So yeah, that's my honest truth about my experience as a guest, a regular guest at Grand Bahia Principal in MUA. Right here, so yeah, it was horrible. And you know, from outside you look and you're like, wow, this look festive. Like I've had so many persons like DM me and say, wow, they've actually really wanted to go, and now that they heard my reviews, they're like they're not going. My experience might be different from yours, but like I don't feel like it gets better. But hey, do what you guys want to do. I've had a lot of persons come to me in my stories and DMs on Instagram and tell me that they would love for me to do more reviews. So I ended up going to another hotel like the week after, and I did another review on Royalton Hideaway. I got that deal on Gustav's for my girlfriend's birthday, so we had a lot of fun. Like this is like day and night. Nights being Grand Bahia, and day like lit day being Royalton Hideaway. Lit, you know. So hey, like it was our best hotel experience. Like I'm gonna do a vlog on it. Well, I did vlog, so look out for that one. That's going to be the next video. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like videos like this, where it's just like a chitty chatty kind of review on like a place or my experience. Just let me know if you guys like videos like this and if you want me to continue. But thank you so much for watching. You didn't have to, but you did, and I'm super grateful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.